Start. Okay, I'm going to open web browser now. I'm going to Google Chrome or Google and then open search engine. I type some picture, Tesco. I'm going to image now. Click the image and this is a picture, old picture. Searching, and I am going to search another search engine. This is photo. Go back. I'm going to go back, and then another search engine, Bing. Search engine, YouTube. I'm going to search for the video. This is YouTube video. This is video, and I'm going to change different search engine again. Go back, and then I'm going to put the Bing. Open website and different search engine. This is a different search engine, Bing. This is a website. I am going to again go back, and I am going to open my VLE website. This is my VLE website. I'm going to open this is unit to CTF002. Open this. These are the all of my assignment. I'm going to one of them. I click here. This is my assignment brief, all of them. And I am going back again. And all find and information. I'm going to log out my website. I'm going to close now.